The sun is out, the birds are chirping, and people are enjoying the outdoors, like flying drones. That drone came a little too close to comfort, though. Let's take a second to talk about drone safety, especially here at Temple University. There are a few rules and regulations that you should be aware of. The first is the Trust Certificate. Then there's the Part 107 certification. Next, Temple's EHRS drone training. And last, the Temple-specific flight and drone registration, which you can do by filling out Temple's UAS registration and flight request form. Starting with the Trust Certification, this allows you to fly a drone just for the purpose of flying one, really, just to go out and have fun. You do still have to take the EHRS drone safety training first, however. Next up, if you're a little bit more serious, is the Part 107 certification. This is a federal certificate so that you can fly drones for a specific purpose, as in taking images of buildings, recording events, doing landscaping or surveying projects, anything that you launch the drone for a specific reason for. This also does require the EHRS specific training before you're able to carry out your missions. Whether you're a first-timer or an experienced pro, there are a bunch of hazards of drones that you need to be aware of. Some things are that the props or the propellers of the drone are very sharp. Ask me how I know. That hurt. Drone pilots are responsible for their flight, and being the pilot in command of the control stick means that you have to be aware of your surroundings at all times. You don't want to end up in a situation like this gentleman here, where a drone is flying right towards you. Lastly, we all share the sky, but drones don't have priority over other aircrafts. So you have to be very mindful of helicopters, airplanes, and wildlife such as the birds that are around our campus. A drone can damage or destroy other aircrafts if flown irresponsibly. No one launches a drone hoping to get in trouble, but it is a real possibility. Between the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, state and local police, and then our own Temple officials, there are a lot of people that are watching how you're flying, where you're flying, and if you're flying safely. Please keep in mind that the penalties for breaking either a federal or local law can result in high fines, loss of your certification, or even up to jail, so better safe than sorry. Take the trainings that are required and know what are the safe and unsafe practices for flying a drone here at Temple. Questions, comments, or need to contact us? Call us at 215-707-2520 or shoot us an email at ehrs@temple.edu.